Welcome back. In news overseas, U.S. President Donald Trump has said the U.S. is reinstating a naval blockade of Iranian ports and will impose a 20% charge on all cargo shipped through the Strait of Hormuz following days of escalating strikes between the two countries. He said this would stop Iran's ships or customers from entering or leaving the key oil shipping route, but all other countries will have fair and open use of the strait. The blockade will be in effect from 4 p.m. Eastern Time on Tuesday. Tehran and Washington clashed over the strait's control after exchanging strikes in the region overnight and on Monday. The U.S. said it carried out strikes against military targets in Iran, targeting air defense systems, coastal radars and missiles and drone sites. Iran said it responded by striking U.S. military base in Kuwait, Jordan and Bahrain and radars in Oman. In Trump's Truth Social post on Monday, he insisted the strait will remain open with or without Iran.
I'm over this war. Make it stop. But guess what? You know what's going to make us happy?
World Cup.
That is correct.
World Cup.
And I'm sure that Jermaine Brown